When it comes to relationships, it's the little things that matter the most. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or just want to show your love, there are many cute and creative ways to make your boyfriend feel special. Here are 15 things you can do to make your boyfriend feel loved and appreciated. 1. Cook him his favorite meal. Surprise him with a homemade dinner of his favorite dish. This shows that you care about his tastes and preferences and took the time to make something special just for him. 2. Write him love letters. Express your feelings through a heartfelt love letter. Write down all the reasons why you love and appreciate him. 3. Plan a romantic getaway. Take a break from your busy schedule and plan a weekend getaway or a romantic vacation for just the two of you. 4. Surprises him with his favorite snack. Buy his favorite snack or treat and leave it for him as a surprise when he comes home from work or a day out. 5. Give him a massage. Relax and pamper your boyfriend by giving him a massage. This is a sweet way to show your love and care for his well-being. 6. Make a photo album. Collect photos of all your favorite memories together and make a photo album as a special gift. 7. Plan a couple's date night. Take the time to plan a special date night with your boyfriend. This could be a movie night at home, a picnic in the park, or a fancy dinner at a fancy restaurant. 8. Write cute notes and leave them around the house. Write cute and funny notes and hide them around the house for your boyfriend to find. This is a fun and playful way to show your love and make him smile. 9. Give him a hug and kiss when he least expects it. Surprise your boyfriend with a hug and a kiss when he least expects it. This will make him feel loved and appreciated. 10. Give him a handmade gift. Make him a handmade gift, such as a photo frame, a mug, or a painting. This shows that you put time and effort into the gift, making it a special and sentimental present. 11. Buy him a thoughtful gift. Buy him a thoughtful and practical gift, such as a book on his favorite subject or a new gadget he has been wanting. 12. Take him on a surprise adventure. Plan a surprise adventure for your boyfriend, such as a hot air balloon ride, a scenic hike, or a fun-filled day at the amusement park. 13. Plan a movie marathon. Plan a movie marathon with your boyfriend and watch all his favorite films. This is a fun and cozy way to spend quality time together. 14. Do his favorite activity with him. Do your boyfriend's favorite activity with him, whether it's playing video games, going fishing, or watching sports. This shows that you're interested in his interests and willing to share in them. 15. Give him a compliment. Let your boyfriend know how much you love and appreciate him by giving him a genuine and heartfelt compliment. By incorporating these cute things into your relationship, you can make your boyfriend feel loved, appreciated, and special. The key is to show him that you care and are always thinking of ways to make him happy. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.